everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. So let's first and foremost start by saying, look at these beautiful flowers. Again, thanks to my work for passing these flowers along. So when you guys see flowers in my background, that is because I was able to take some home, and I'm so appreciative for it because they just really brighten up my videos and my background, except I had to elevate one on books, so that's why I'm sitting in front of it. If you guys are new to my channel, I am Makeup with Vanna, aka I am Vanna, and if you are not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Hit that little bell icon so you can be notified the next time when I post videos. So in today's video, we are going to be trying out this new Dominique Cosmetics palette. I didn't originally want to buy this palette. I don't know why. I just wasn't interested in buying it. But I went to Ulta and I saw that they have it in stores. So if you want to buy this palette, it is in stores now at Ulta. And I don't know, just seeing it in person made me really want to buy it. So I bought it. And yeah, if you guys stick around to the very end of this video, there's a nice little surprise for you guys at the end of the video. So don't forget to stay tuned throughout the entire video. Don't fast forward. Watch the video, watch the tutorial, because it's a good one, I promise. I really like the way that this makeup look came out, and you guys will be rewarded if you stay till the end, which is kind of cool if you ask me. So yeah guys, let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. The quality looks a little different than my last videos. It's because I've switched my lens. I'm using my stock lens that came with the camera because I wanted to display a little bit more of the flowers behind me. I didn't want it to be blurred, so sacrifices. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the Dominique Cosmetics palette. This is a very gorgeous slate over the palette, rose gold, and it says Dominique Cosmetics, and then when you pull it out, you have the actual packaging here, and it says Dominique across the top, and then Latte palette. So I'm really excited to use these colors. I'll go ahead and just start by priming our lids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to apply that all over. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can see what I'm doing to my lids, and let's get started. So going into the Dominique Cosmetics palette, we are going to go ahead and take, first off, let's look at all of the beautiful shades in the palette. You get 5, 6, 7 matte shades and 3 very beautiful shimmer shades. So we're going to stick to more of the neutral colors up top because I have another video that I'm filming after this, which I'm so excited for. You guys will be seeing that shortly. So yeah, stay tuned for that video because it's a partnership video. But anyways, yeah, we are going to stick to these neutral shades up top, and I'm just going to start blending out into my transition shade. I'm going to use Caramel as my transition shade, which is this light brown here. It's kind of picking up like a light pink on the screen that I'm looking at, but it's definitely a very light warm brown, and we're just going to dust that all over as our transitions right on top of the crease. Okay, so first and foremost, that is super pigmented. Okay, so that first shade was definitely very blendable. The colors so far aren't like extremely pigmented, and I think that's great because it allows you to be able to blend it out. So they're pressed very nicely. As you can see, it does have some fallout, so you can see that there's light fallout in it, but it's nothing to be worried about. Because it's not extremely bad. As long as there's no fallout on my eyes, I am okay with it. And the brush that I am using is my Miss Cosmetic 232 blending brush. I love this brush for my transition shade. It's perfectly shaped and sized for my lids, so I absolutely love it. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Smith's 230 brush, and we're going to take that shade called Pumpkin Spice, which is this one here, and we're going to start to blend that into our crease. So I had shadow on there, and as soon as I dusted it off, all of it dusted off. Okay, that's better. We're gonna go in with an even denser brush, so a little bit more on the stiff side. And I'm gonna take this shade called Hazelnut. Let's take Hazelnut, and we're just gonna buff that onto the outer crease and the inner. Or the outer corner and the inner corner. I feel like it's not as dark as I would like it, so I'm going to go in with this shade Mocha and darken that up. I'm not going to dust it onto the inner corner because I'm going to go ahead and go in with a shimmer shade on that inner part. So we're just going to keep this on the outer part of the eye. For some reason, I feel like this shade looks very dark in the palette, but it's not coming out on my eye that dark, and I don't know if it's the user of the palette. It might be the user. Maybe it's, I don't have a dense enough brush or a tightly packed brush, but we're going to try and deepen that up as much as possible. We're going to spritz it with some Fix Plus, and we're going to apply that. We're going to apply the shade Macchiato. This color here, Macchiato, all over the corner of the lid. Maybe these are made to be used not wet, I'm not sure. Try with the finger. Oh yeah, that definitely looks a lot better on the finger. Oh yeah, finger works better for these ones. Okay, and then I'm going to take that same crease shade, which was Pumpkin Spice, and we're just going to blend this through. Okay, so that completes the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face up. I'm gonna do my face, and then we'll come back to complete the eyes on camera. So I just finished doing my face. I did my eyebrows, my foundation. For foundation, I used the LA Girl Pro Matte in light tan. And then for my bronzer, I actually need to blend this out just a little bit more. For my bronzer, I went in with the Becca bronzer in the shade Bronze Bondi. I haven't used this bronzer in a really long time, and I'm still trying to decide if I like it. For blush, I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Trio Blush in the shade Peachy Love, and I did this center shade in Ginger. And then for my highlight, I used my Artist Couture highlight in the shade Conceited. And for this, I just used a small blending Morphe brush, the M441. That way I could get a little bit more precise with where I placed it. And now we are going to finish the face up with lower lash blending. So let's go ahead and grab our blending brush. I'm not going to do much to the lower lash line. I just want to do a pop of brown. So I think I'm going to go in with that shade that I used on the outer corner, which I believe was called Mocha. We're just going to take the Morphe M506 And we're gonna lightly blend that underneath the lash line. We don't want it to be too harsh. I want more of just a light brown. When you do this part, you want to make sure that you're connecting it to your outer corner back here because you want it to flow together. And then we are going to go ahead and do some cat liner and lashes. So let's wing it out. I'm going to use my Sephora eyeliner. This is just in Black Noir, and this is the eyeliner long-lasting eyeliner, and I'm just going to try and do this on camera really quickly. Lastly, to finish this look up, we're gonna go ahead and find some lashes to wear. So I'm so obsessed with Cocoa lashes. These are really the only lashes that I wear besides Ardell Wispies, but I really love Queen Bee. So this is the style that I've been wearing a lot lately. But I also have Stella Amore and Girl About Town. So these two are Stella, and these are definitely wispy, but they're just like too shiny looking for me. I don't know, there's like chunks of them which are pretty, but I don't know if I want that for this look. And then I have Amore up top, which these are my second favorite. I absolutely love this style. They just really open up my eyes, and they're perfect on my almond shaped eyes. If my eyes are almond. Yeah, my eyes are almond. And then these last ones, Girl About Town. I've never tried this style on, but these definitely look a little bit more long and voluminous and wispy. Definitely a lot of wispy. So we're going to go ahead and go with Girl About Town because I've never tried them before. Alright guys, so this is the completed look using the Kristen Dominique cosmetic palettes. I absolutely love it, but I was looking in the mirror and I feel like this is a look that I do on a regular basis. I'm so comfortable with warm tone shades. This is something that I always gravitate to, so I'm going to try in my next few videos to switch it up a little bit. But the lipstick that I'm wearing on my lips, in case you guys are wondering, is Nathan by Jeffree Star's Cosmetics. I have recently been loving Jeffree Star's lipsticks. They're just very smooth and creamy. They're not drying on the lips, and they feel very comfortable. Like, I can do that to my lips and it's not too dry. So I have a surprise for you guys. If you guys made it to the end of the video, and if you sat through watching this video, congrats to you, because I am giving you guys something back for that. So if you stay till the end of the video, you will now be entered into winning a Kristen Dominique palette for yourself. This one is not opened. All you have to do is click the link down below. It's going to be the Gleam link, so click that link down below. The two rules that you have to do are, one, you have to be subscribed to my channel, and then the other is you have to be subscribed to or follow me on Instagram, Makeup with Vanna. You have to engage with me. I'm picking two winners, so one winner for my YouTube channel and one winner for my Instagram page. If you follow me on both, then you have double the chances to win. Stay engaged with me. Comment down below on the Instagram post. You know, just engage with me. Tell your friends about the giveaway as well. That way you have a better chance at winning, or your friends have a better chance at winning. Again, two winners, one for my YouTube channel and one for my Instagram page. You must be following me on Instagram. You must be subscribed to my channel here on YouTube. So that's why I do it towards the Gleam link, because that keeps track of everything, and it does let me know if you are subscribed and or if you're not subscribed and things like that. Thanks so much for staying till the end of the video. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought of this look. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, so you can be entered in to win the giveaway. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, stay tuned for my next video because it's a partnership and I'm so excited. It's my first partnership. I'm a small YouTuber. I never thought in, the entire world that I would be getting this partnership, but I'm so excited. I'm going to sit down and film that next. So that video is coming up. Bye guys. Thanks so much for the support.